Having owned and raced several Suzuki GSX-R models over the years, dating back to the original 750 introduced to the US in 1986, I know the proper track attack riding posture. But the older I get, the more I've come to appreciate sporting practicality where it exists. And with the new 2015 Suzuki GSX-S 750, the added practicality extends beyond sit-up ergos and into the state of tune of this liquid-cooled 749cc inline-4. Suzuki is quick to point out that the GSX-S engine is not a detuned GSX-R. Based on the 2005 GSX-R 750 engine architecture, the GSX-S powerplant employs unique valve timing and lift, plus reshaped intake and exhaust ports. This, along with 8-hole fine mist fuel injectors set at a different angle in the dual throttle bodies, results in greater low and mid-range power delivery and a claimed 11 miles per gallon improvement in fuel efficiency. As a matter of course, such gains come at the expense of peak power output, but it's hard to argue against the benefits such a power shift brings to real-world street use. American Suzuki staged the press introduction for its new Naked Machine in Austin, Texas, where I enjoyed a rainy day's ride on local backroads and highways. The S smoothly pulled away from standing stops with super ease, and its abundant bottom end torque made for short shift serenity in the city. While the clutch pull is on the firm side of what we've become accustomed to in recent years, the 6-speed gearbox provides the trademark light, slick and positive Gixxer action. Without TC, drive modes, or ABS at play, the S750 is the raw definition of controllable linear power delivery. Throttle response is crisp, enough so that a hint of drivetrain lash can be felt in lower gears if you're ham-fisted with the twist grip. But with good technique, there's superb fluidity up or down through the gearbox. Top Gear Freeway Cruise produces little vibration below 6,000 RPM, at which point the GSX-S 750 is showing 85 miles per hour on its digital LCD speedometer. While the wet conditions dictated a bring-the-herd-home pace set by our tour guide, local GP hero Kevin Schwans, it was impossible to get a good sport riding assessment of the new GSX-S 750. As for the chassis, the Gixxer S Model forgoes alloy for steel, its frame a twin spar/tube hybrid design. While the inverted guide cartridge fork and single rear shock hit a price point by only offering spring preload adjustability, the damping calibration felt sporting taut. Perhaps overly so if overall ride comfort is priority one, but I suspect I'll likely favor the firm damping rates when flogging this new Suzuki on twisty roads back home. Overall, as a guy who came up on GSX-R Supersports, I like this new S variant. At $7,999 for metallic matte black and $150 more for the GSX-S 750Z in a heritage blue/white option, the S offers super savings, coming in $4,300 under its GSX-R sibling.